How to view your followers on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to see who is following you on Facebook, here is how to check it in just few seconds. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen beside what's on your mind text. And here, once you are in your profile section, just look under your name and it will show you followers count. So just tap on followers and here you will see full list of everyone following you. Now here you can scroll through it and tap on three dots next to any name to message, add, block or follow them back. And that's it. That's how you can view followers on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.